Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Simulacrum token. Ticker symbol is Simmi. Now this token is trending #1 in the base section here on Dext Screener. So the name of the actual project is Simulacrum. Name of the token and ticker symbol is SIMMI. This is on the base chain, huge market cap, $28.4 million market cap for this token. And they have $15.1 million in 24-hour trading volume today and over 13,400 transactions in the past 24 hours. Trending #1 with $2.4 million in liquidity in Uniswap. This is the Simmi token, and we're going to go over the information on the Simmi token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Simulacrum is a new platform utilizing existential attestations of external media to create a synthetic blockchain. Public profiles on social media provide some very interesting guarantees. It is very easy for a group of observers to come to an agreement on what was said at a specific point of time on a specific profile on a specific social network. If you can get a sufficient number of participants to agree that this information happened on a specific network at a specific time, you can provide this to an indexer, which can organize it into blocks. And this was part of the core innovation of Solana, which utilizes proof of history to order transactions. Likewise, the ordinal theory, we saw how a meta protocol can be built as a hologram on top of a ledger, where the indexers are able to come to agreements on the state of a protocol by defining a consistent syntax for inscribing satoshis. Meta protocols were able to be developed that could be indexed by a third party, and oracles would be able enable these assets to be traded in peer-to-peer marketplaces, perpetual applications, PS, BT, and more. By combining these concepts, we are able to define a meta protocol that is able to live on top of a blockchain, where an oracle network is able to provide attestations of publicly verifiable information, which in turn enable the protocol to take actions on behalf of the users. A user can broadcast their transactions on social media platform rather than utilizing a wallet. And as long as the indexer is able to get attestations of the transaction, it can be pushed and take actions from that user chain. These transactions are ordered into a synthetic blockchain and are committed to update the state of an established ledger. Therefore, the synthetic blockchain is able to interact with its base layer. By aggregating diverse social media resources, we're able to create a platform that allows users to manage their identity across multiple social networks, and this removes the need for a wallet, as a user can broadcast their intents on a supported platform, and it is translated into a command and executed. So this token here, their webpage is at simulacrum.network. They have a get started page here. It says Simulacrum turns social media messages into blockchain actions and is powered by Emperreal. They have document section, getting started guide for developers section. So execute on-chain actions across L1s and L2s directly on X, Farcaster, Reddit, TikTok via post or DM by using your social media accounts as a secure social wallet. Build apps to reach millions of social media users on the world's first social rollup. Use Web3 directly on social media. So it says, number 1, look up your wallet. Have a social media account? You already have a social wallet. Look it up by connecting your social account. Number 2, add funds. Fund it with credit card, transfer from an existing Web3 wallet, or by receiving tokens. Number 3, send a post or DM. Post or DM what you want to do on-chain in plain English. No new commands or jargon to learn. Step 4, AI agents make magic. So Simulacrum AI agents instantly analyze your message to process your intent. And step 5, boom, on-chain actions. Watch as your social media messages become on-chain actions. Execute instant on-chain actions from your timeline. You could trade assets, buy or sell tokens by making a post, bridge tokens, move assets between chains with a simple message. Interact with DeFi, lend, borrow, or stake assets through your social feed. Tips for content creators. Support your favorite content creators with simple microtransactions, and you can make bets on culture, politics, sports, or future prices. So Web3, so easy, your mom can do it. That's an insult to mom there. Set up once, use forever. Use Simulacrum to look up your unique social wallet linked to your social media account, fund it, and you're ready to take on-chain actions directly from social media. Say it plainly. Execute on-chain. Use plain English to express what you want to do on-chain. Post a DM. The AI agents interpret the commands and can translate them into the precise Web3 actions. And your social identity is your private key. So your social media account serves as your secure Web3 identity. No need for complex wallets, downloads, or private keys. Just use the platforms you already know and trust. At the bottom of their webpage, you can find Medium, Telegram, Twitter, and a Discord group that you could join. So I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual. Their Telegram is at MP Real Portal, and they have 1,678 subscribers on there. Now, if you wanted to get this token here, all you'd have to do is, first of all, you'd need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You'd fund that wallet with ETH. Now, you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange, or you fund it with ETH and then bridge it to Base. Either one works. Go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you could find right here on this Twitter at Simmi_IO, you would trade your Base for this token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.